Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to earn from home by creating high converting ads with AI tools. So basically, you will need a few tools right here, but don't worry, these tools are for free. So the opportunity for businesses always need a Facebook, Instagram ads, TikTok and YouTube ads, Google ads, product images, promo videos, sales copy. So most owners don't know how to write or design ads. So you become the solution, of course. So step one, you have to understand what makes the ads convert. So of course, high converting ads usually include strong hook, problem your audience feels, and so on. So first tool that we're going to use right here is the chat GPT. Second is Canva. And then you can also use CapCut, 11 Labs, and Leonardo AI or other tools for generating image. So as you can see, there is this CapCut right here for creating videos, 11 Labs for a voiceover or text to speech. So you can just download this. So we have here the step three. So what you're going to do is what service you're going to sell. So you have to be firm with what you're going to sell right here. So let's just say you're going to promote ads to a Facebook page, just for an example. So all you have to do here is, of course, you can go to Canva, but make sure also that you know where to sell your project or where to sell your ads. You can create an account on Fiverr, you can create an account on Upwork, you can create an account on Freelancer where you can sell your projects, your ads right here, or you can promote whatever you have created. So again, go to ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT to create a script or a wonderful ads. All you have to do is to replace this with the name of the product, and then you can add more information. So that would be according to the client's information, the company's information, the product's information. All you have to do is to replace that right here. After that, you can tap on enter. However, you can extend, or if you can ask ChatGPT to revise or to make it longer. So everything is up to you. So after that, once you have added the prompt right here, all you have to do is tap on or press on enter, and then ChatGPT will give you this one. So again, if you're not satisfied, you can ask again, or you can ask for a revise or make it longer. For example, this one is too short for me, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make it longer. So you can copy this one or you can create your own. So if you have your own prompt, then that would be better. So here it is. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to create the image, or we're going to create a presentation. So everything is up to you. Now, I strongly suggest to use Canva because Canva is a free editing tool. But if you have other editing tools, then that would be okay. So for in Canva, Canva is a free editing tool. You just have to create an account, tap on create a design, go to the search icon, and then search, for example, if you want to promote or create an ads, for example, for Facebook, then you can go and search for Facebook. So you can see different choices right here. For example, Facebook ad. So wait for a couple of seconds. Now on the left side, you can see here different features such as design, elements, text, and so on. So if you want to look for a good template, you don't want to build from scratch, then go to design and then type shoes, then you will see different templates right here. All you have to do is to drag that to the blank page. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So we're going to promote the shoes, or let's just say if your client has his own shoe images or product images, all you have to do is to upload that right here and then replace this image. So for example, your client asks you to promote the shoes or any product from his company, then all you have to do is to get that from him and then upload that. Make sure that you have saved these products to your device, and all you need to do is to just drag the product to the page or to the template. After that, you can download this as PNG, MP4, everything is up to you. So for example, MP4, Now, once you have downloaded this, then it's about time to edit this. So you can use Canva to edit, or you can use also CapCut. So CapCut is a free editing tool too. All you need to do is to just basically go to any web browser and then search for CapCut and then download this tool. So as you can see, I have downloaded this. Then I'm going to open my CapCut once I have downloaded it. This is what it looks like. So just import the video or the project that you have downloaded from Canva. Now go to ChatGPT, copy the script, and then tap on add text, paste. Go to text to speech. So CapCut has this feature text to speech. So no need for 11 labs, or everything is up to you. You can also use 11 labs. And then generate speech. This is what it looks like. So once you have added the VO right here or the script, then feel free to add more elements or edit, add effects. Everything is up to you. You can change the ratio or size. So for example, if you want to post this to your Instagram or Facebook, and then there is this ratio right here to select. Okay, and then after that, you can add elements, you can add stickers, and everything is up to you. You can add more objects to make it more captivating. And then once done, then you can export this and it's ready to upload or download. After you export this or once downloaded, then feel free to sell this to your Fiverr account, Upwork, Freelancer, and other accounts that you have. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.